Hello, Cliff here in my shed again. I'm going to probably call this video a bragging video or something because I've had a bit of luck. A little while ago, on one of my very infrequent visits nowadays to the pub, I was talking to a mate of mine, a couple of mates of mine, a couple of old friends and a newer friend, and I happened to mention that I've been after an oxygen bottle for ages and just can't get hold of one. You can buy them, or you can rent one and bottle or somewhere, but I don't use it enough to warrant the money that you'd have to pay for one. And you can buy the little 60 quid ones, but you've got to go and collect them, and the nearest place to me is miles away. So anyway, Tom, the newest member of my little crowd of mates, said, "Oh, I've got an oxy kit." He said, "It was my dad's." He said, "It's just sitting in me thing." He said, "I've got one." He said, "So you're welcome to it." I said, "I'll be definitely interested in it." I said, "How much do you want for it?" He said, "Nothing." He said, "Nothing, you can have it." He said, "It's just sitting there." He said, "The only thing is," he said, "I'd like to keep the gun," which is no bad thing because I'll just go and get it. Well, I can't find it anyway. But I picked a little gun up, a little brazing gun at a boot fair a couple of years ago, a bit like Johnny Cash. I thought I'd get it one bit at a time. Anyway, so he said he wanted to hang on to the gun because it was his dad's, and I said that's not a problem because I've got one. So anyway, have a look at this. Yeah, so about a fortnight ago my mate Richard turns up with this bugger. It's fantastic, I tell you. You'll notice there is no gun on it, but we've got an oxygen bottle and a valve. We've got an acetylene bottle and a valve, but no gun. But that's not the end of the story. So as they're putting it on Richard's van, bloke in another unit says, "That rig ain't got no gun on it." So they tell him the story that it's for the mate and they're giving it to me. He said, "Hang on." He said, "I've got a set of hoses and a gun the bloke can have." And here it is. A really nice sapphire brazing gun, pair of hoses, spare acetylene gauge, and the really good thing about this one is it's got flash arresters on it, and I think I need them. It's got to have been 25 years since I've even fired a oxyacetylene kit up. In fact, I think the last time I was using one was about 25 years ago. I was doing a job with my brother for the firm he worked for. They were a bit short of people and I'd done this job over at Hackney Marshes on the water purification reservoirs. Poxiest job I've ever done in my life. Freezing cold. Anyway, I'm diversifying now. So, I'm going to have a look at it, put the gun on it, and I'll be back. Oh, well, I put the gun on it. I used the hoses that come with the gun because it all seemed pretty secure. I've given it a bit of a soap up. I can't find any leaks. I pressured it up. Let's have a go at lighting it. Now, I was always taught that you should always use a spark igniter to light a torch, but I haven't got one at the moment, so I'm going to have to use a naked flame. So, let's give it a go. Oh, the oxygen tap is a little bit stiff. Bugger. Told you I ain't done this for a long time. How about that then? Not burning perfect at the moment, but I'll be honest with you, it's been such a long time since I did any of this. I did do a little bit of YouTubing. I had a look at welding tips and tricks. He's pretty good. I've watched him before when I've been dreaming about getting a kit like this. And the other one I've watched, of course, is this old Tony. Very entertaining videos he does. But yeah, she's looking pretty good. Well, how about that for nothing? And the gun and the other hoses come from a complete stranger. Well, to quote this old Tony, I'm off to do some burninating. I'll see you again. Hopefully it'll be from Cliff's shed and not Cliff's crater. See you again. Bye for now.